This is Potensic Atom drone, and in today's video I'll show how you can replace the spinning blades or the blade propellers on this drone. So alongside the aircraft and the remote controller, you should have also gotten the replacement blades and the screwdriver, as well as a bunch of screws, replacement screws to be exact. If you don't have it, just buy a screwdriver, buy the replacement blades that will fit the Potensic Atom drone. Once you have everything, let's begin by actually identifying which blades we should use. So here on the blades themselves you have the markings, and those blades are or should be at the very least identical across. So the front left leg and the back right legs have the same spinning blades, and while the front right leg and the back left leg, if the front is the camera, are also the same spinning blades. And in my case, the difference between those blades is this little marking you have. So here, as you can see, this little line is present, and on other blades it is not, which pretty much means that those blades can be put on those legs, and those blades with the markings should be put on those. Now, once we figured out which propellers to use, we can take out the screwdriver. Of course, before you start, be extra cautious and extra sure that your drone is powered off, since here you can see the wiring that might have some current, so we do not want to be electrified, obviously. So I'll go with replacing the front left leg propellers, but the process, once you identify which blades to use, the process is identical. So let's take one blade out from here. Now take a screwdriver and counterclockwise unscrew this screw while holding the propeller blade so it won't spin and won't mess up with your screwing. So the blade has been unscrewed successfully. It comes off with the screw, so be careful not to lose it. Even though you have replacement screws, still it's better not to throw them around. Now take your replacement propeller, position it in the same identical way the broken blade has been positioned. Now put the screw inside this little hole, then the screw itself put into another hole on the arm, this one, like the bigger hole you see. Make sure that it slots in, and once you feel that it does, we should be able to start, well, screwing the blade in. It's not very easy for me to do that, but I will succeed. That should be it. So let's try to screw it in, see if it will. I don't think it does, actually. Yeah. Just give me a sec here. Now, as I can feel, yep, the screw has been slotted in successfully. All that is left to do for me is to screw it all the way. Screw it in all the way. Do not over tense it. Now check if the blades are spinning right. As far as I can see, they do. And well, the process is finished. You have successfully replaced one blade. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it, guys. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.